Hello guys, welcome to you in the third tutorial in node.js. In this video I'm gonna show you how to work with fs module and read file in part 1. Firstly, what is fs module or file system? The file system is a method to work with files and read it and write data inside it and also delete the files in node.js environment. So in this video we will work with fs module, and the first method of fs module called fs.readFile to read the files with asynchronously. And firstly I will open the web store and I will create a new file called fs module.js. And before working anything you have to require and import the fs module. So firstly you just write fs and equals require function to import anything you wanna, and we just write fs to require this built-in module in node.js environment. So if I write console.log fs and I will open the command prompt to run the program, and I will just write node and the file name fs.module.js and hit enter. It outputs the whole methods inside this object. So fs module is an object, has many methods to work with it. So the first method we will work with it today is called fs.readFile. fs.readFile is a way to work with files to read the data inside these files. So it works with asynchronously. It means the program starts reading the file, and while reading the file enter to the next line of the code to run it and return this function again after finishing reading to send as a response. So the syntax of this file, you just write fs.readFile function. This function has two parameters. The first parameter is the file path that you wanna, and the second parameter is a callback function. So the file path and the second parameter is a callback function to work on this file. And before making it, I will create a new file called test.txt and hit enter, and just I will write hello from test file and fs module and save it. Return to file module.js, and I will write here the path of the file. So the path of the file dot slash, it means enter on the test dot text, and the second parameter is a function has error. It means if there are an error, the error object we can check on it in the callback function to make something if has error in loading. And the second parameter is called the data. You can call it as a data. It means the data inside this file. So after that I will just write console.log the data, and the command prompt, run the program again. It consoled the data inside the file, but it consoled as a buffer because the fs module has a buffer function while reading the file. So to output the real data, we just define the metacharacter of the file. We just write utf-8 and try again. It console hello from test file and fs module. So if we change the path of the file to console the error, to console the error, and we will just change the path with text.txt and run again, there are an error. the error no such file or directory. It searched on this file but not found. So we can check on the error with if and just write if error to make something if has any error while reading the file. So we will just write console.log no file and save it. Run the program, it console no file, and we can make a second statement to check the data if there are data, and console.log the data and return the correct path of the file. So just write test.txt and try again. It consoled hello from test file and fs module. So in this video we learned how to work with the first method of fs module, and this method is called fs.readFile to read files asynchronously, and hopefully you learned something, and see you later in the next video. Don't forget to make a like and subscribe in my channel if you learned something, and goodbye.